with Gokuldas Public School online classes. And which subject period is going on? Math subject period is going on. And we learn about one new concept, thick and thin. But before our start our class, we do prayer. So all of you join your hands, stand up fast, join your hands, close your eyes and repeat after me. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Now slowly open your eyes, put down your hands. Very good. Now we learn about thick and thin. Our concept is thick and thin. Okay. Now which period is going on? Math subject period is going on. And we learn about thick and thin. Now you see here. These are fingers. And this is thumb. And this thumb is thick. Show me your thumb. Yes, this thumb is thick. And this one, the little finger is thin. And this one, this little finger is thin. The thumb is thick. Show me your thumb. Yay, the thumb is thick. And this little finger is thin. Thick means mota and thin means patla. Okay? This thumb is thick and this little finger is thin. Thick means mota and thin means patla. Very good. Thick. The thumb is thick and this little finger is thin. I give you more examples. Now you see here. Here I have two papers are here. This paper is thick. This paper is thick. And this one is thin. Yes, see here. The thick paper is broad here. And big paper है ना, बड़ा है और ये broad है. ठीक है? This is thick. This is thick. And this one, ये broad नहीं है यहाँ से ज़्यादा और ये छोटा पतला सा है. This is thin. This is thin. Thick and thin. This paper is thick and this paper is thin. Thick and thin. Here I paste the paper. This is thick and this one is thin. Thick and thin. Okay. Now see here. I give one more examples. See here. I have two pens. This pen is thick. See here. This pen is thick. And this pen is thin. This pen is thin and thin. This pen is thick. देखिए ये broad है, मोटा है. This pen is thick and this pen is thin. This pen is thick and thin. This pen is thick and this pen is thin. Okay. Then I give one more example. See here, I have two books in my hand. See here, this book is, देखिए ये बुक कैसी है, पतली सी है ना. ये आपकी पप्पा टर्टल बुक है, ये पतली सी है ना. See here, thin. This book is thin. Thin. This book is thin. And this book is thick. Oh, thick. This book is thick. Thick. देखिए सभी तरफ से thick. Thick. Okay. This book is thin and this book is thick. है ना. ये thick means पतली है और ये thick means मोटी है. Say thick and thin. This book is thick and this book is thin. Then see here, sellotape. See here thick. This sellotape is thick. मोटा है ना. ब्रॉड है, देखिए कितना मोटा है. And this one is thin. ये पतला है ना. Thick, thin, thick, thin. This sellotape is thick and this sellotape is thin. Okay. Now see here on the board. Here two logs are here. This is thick log or thin log. Thick. ये मोटा है, broad है. Thick. This log is thick. This log is thick. And this log is thin. This log is thin. This log is thin. Then next, tree. Here two trees are here. This tree is thick. मोटा है, बड़ा है ना. You see, neem tree, peepal tree. These are thick. These are thick. And see here, this another tree is thick. ये छोटा है, small है, पतला है ना. पतला है, thin. Thick. Thin. You see properly? Okay. Thick. Thin. Thick. Thin. Here the log is thick and this log is thin. This tree thick and this tree thin. This tree thin. Now here two candles are here. This candle is thick. This candle is thick and this candle is thin. This candle is thick and this candle is thin. I hope you learn about thick and thin. Okay. Now I give one exercise. Okay. क्या करना है, जो थिक ऑब्जेक्ट है उसको कलर करना है. नाउ हियर here two pencils are here. Okay, one pencil is thick and one pencil is thin. You identify the pencil, which pencil is thick. Now you do color. Okay, tell me which pencil is thick. This pencil is thick. No, this pencil is thin. color on this pencil because we color the pencil, we color the object which is thick. So this object is thick and this one is thin. Okay. So we do color thick pencil. Okay. Okay. We do color like this. Thick. Okay. Then here two trees are here. है ना? Tree है ना यहाँ? Yes. Two trees are here. Now one more time we color. Which one tree? Thick tree. Okay. So this tree is thick tree or this tree is thick tree? This tree is thin. Yes, this one is thin and this one is thick. So we do color thick tree. Okay. Do coloring. Okay. Do this work in your maths notebook. Okay, beta? Yes. This tree is thick. So we color in this tree. And this tree is thin. So don't do coloring. Okay? I hope you learn about the object. We learn about the concept thick and thin. Now who can tell me which object is thick and which object is thin? Tanvi, can you tell me? See. Here I made two books. See here on the board. Do this work in your maths notebook, okay? Now I write here one more question. See here. Our question is, circle the thin object. Okay. Circle the thin object. Now here the books. Okay. Now this book is thick or thin? Tell me. This book is thick. Yes. This book is thick. Okay. Now you see here. One more book I am making here. This book is thin. This book is thin. This book is thin. And this book is thick. Okay. Now circle the thin object. So this one is thin or this is thin? Tell me, Tanvi. Which is thin? This is thin or this is thin? This book is thick. Thick means moti. ये book moti है ना? Thick. And this book is thin. So we make a circle on thin book. So make a circle. Okay. Very good. Now one more thing. Here two pens are here. See here. Now which is a thin pen? Tell me, which pen is a thin pen? This pen is a thin pen? No. This is thick pen. And this pen is a thin pen? Yes. So we make a circle on thin pen. Okay? I hope you learned the concept of thick and thin. Do practice at your home and do this work in your maths notebook. Take care, kids. Tata. Bye bye.